everybody. One day, barely 2 days, I hit 1 subscriber and 13 views and 4 likes. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh! I need to hide. Oh my gosh!
¿Sabes a lo que estaba en Miami, verdad? Que la casa estaba como en Miami.
Okay.
Está en México.
Oh my gosh.
Fixed it! La televisión.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we just hit 1 subscriber, 13 views on my first video, and 4 likes. Wow. 13 views, 1 subscriber, 4 likes. Oh my gosh. Thanks, guys.